Mid-range smartphone segment under 20,000 has always been the hottest in India because people here are so price conscious and the value that mid-ranges offer is incredible, and they perform pretty good too, that people doesn't really need a flagship smartphone to have a better smartphone experience. But how does companies manage to bring such a good products at such an awesome price? One word answer: Bloatware. See, companies make a significant amount of money by preloading apps into software. This revenue generated by preloading apps into software lets the companies be able to crank down their profit margins on the hardware side. But we end users doesn't always like to have dozens of apps that we never gonna use fly around the home screen, and we probably gonna uninstall most of them. And this is where the problem rises. While some of them can be easily uninstalled like we would normally do, long press, uninstall, done. Some of them can be it the system apps or any third-party bloat. They will have the uninstall option disabled, and there is nothing we can do to uninstall them. Not exactly. Well, in this video I'm gonna tell you how to remove the stubborns. So without any further ado, come, let's get rid of them. For this purpose, we are going to be using a tool called ADB, which stands for Android Debug Bridge. What it does is it lets us interact directly with the Android's command line, so we can perform some commands to uninstall, disable, enable, or anything we want. Now to do that, you need to have the ADB installed in your laptop, which used to be a little work, but thanks to the developers at XDA, it became much simpler. Just download the ADB installer zip file from the link in the bio. Once downloaded, extract the file and run it as an administrator. Now you will get a window asking you to install a few tools. Just hit yes for all of them, and the ADB will be installed in your laptop. Now what you have to do is turn on the USB debugging in your laptop from the developer settings. Now to do that, head on to the settings in your phone, About phone, search for the build number and tap on it for 7 times until you see the prompt saying you are now a developer. Once you're done, open developer settings, search for USB debugging and turn it on. Now connect your phone to your laptop via USB and turn the file transfer on. And your phone will ask you whether or not to allow your laptop for USB debugging. Just hit allow. Once connected and turn the file transfer on, open command prompt on your laptop and type ADB devices. Now type ADB shell and hit enter. Now it will take you to the Android command line. Now this is where you have to enter the commands for uninstalling an app, and the command for the ADB uninstall is this one: pm uninstall -k -user 0 followed by the package name. Now pm uninstall -k -user 0 is what common for uninstalling any Android app, but the thing that changes is the package name. But what is the package name? It is a unique name given for every Android app in order for the system to identify them. For example, the package name of Chrome browser is this one. So whatever the app you want to uninstall, you have to enter the package name of that app at the end of the command. But how can I know the package name of an app? Don't worry, it's not so hard. Just search package name viewer on Play Store and there you can find a plethora of options. But me personally chooses this one just because it is simple to use. See, my phone came with the Chrome browser pre-installed and I never use it because I use another browser. So I just want to uninstall it, but the uninstall option is disabled. So I just want to do it through ADB. I have entered the command followed by the package name of the Chrome browser and hit enter. That's it, it's done, it's removed. Alright, Chrome is a third-party browser. It can be uninstalled anyway, but what about the system apps? Well, let's also delete the default browser on my Realme because I never gonna use that browser any day. So I'm entering the ADB uninstall command followed by the default browser package name and hit enter. Phone manager, clone app, Also the default clock, file manager, also some system features like lock screen magazine, one thing to note is that when I tried it on my Realme 5 Pro, which came with App Market and Game Center pre-installed back then, it wasn't worked on both of those. So I went on searching online about the reason and found that they were deeply integrated into the software with recent OT updates. So I tried disabling them, whose command is this one. The app market got disabled, but it wasn't worked on the game center. So I ended up hiding the game center in a typical old-fashioned way. So it's gonna be a hit or miss, but I can assure that you can get rid of most of the bloat from your phone. And yeah, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications by hitting that bell icon. Also, share this video with your friends and family who are obsessed with those stubborns. And with that said, I'm Tej, you're watching 21st Century Geek, and I'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye.